Hi guys, I got something for you. Unboxing today. I had unboxing. Unboxing today. It's this cooler fan. I'm gonna try it now, guys. Ooh. So this is cooling fan. I bought it from Amazon. Looks big on the picture, but in the back is quite smaller. So, and I had insurance for this one. So what is this? 3 speeds revenue. I need to check what is the size, but we'll see. Just bear with me. So the sizes looks okay. Oops, it's a remote control. Oops, it's got everything. So the reason why this is I like because you can put cold water and ice. So we will try today, and this is USB. This is for my son room. He has a nosebleed for 2 days now, and then if I put the pan again, it will be a more nosebleed. So yeah, might try that one. I'll keep the box in case something goes wrong and I return it. So this is the instruction, the USB, and the remote control. So here you are. I will double check. The size is varies, but I don't really know. But that's this is my cooling fan for today. Of course, made of China. I'm gonna use it now, guys. Find out if it's nice or not.